Welcome to Real Estate IQ Wisdom for Smart Moves. Featuring Sean Grovier, a seasoned loan officer from Golden One Credit Union.
Can you explain the process of obtaining the mortgage for first-time buyers?
Well, the process for first-time buyer is no different than any other buyer. It's not as hard as many people may think or have heard. First thing to do is to seek out a lender or loan officer that you like working with. Talk to a couple of them, find out who you enjoy working with. I think that's important because you need to have a level of trust with them. You're going to be divulging all of your personal information and private information. So you want to make sure you have a good, comfortable feeling with not only them, but the company they represent. So the process is simply fill out an application. It takes usually about 10 minutes. And then provide income and asset documentation. It's sort of the rule of twos, we call it. 2 most recent pay stubs, 2 most recent W-2s, 2 most recent bank statements. It's very important to make sure you give all the bank statements and all the pages, because when a bank statement says blank, we don't know it, or 1 of 6 and one of them was blank, we don't know that they're blank unless we get them all.
Sure.
So most loan officers, I would say all loan officers, are not asking for information to be prying. We need to have it to turn it in to get an underwriting approval. So once you fill out that information and you provide all that documentation, we review it to make sure that everything is in line and then send it into an underwriter who will approve it. And that's really pretty much it. You'll get you'll get a conditional approval letter, and then you can take that with your realtor and go shop for a house.
Check the full episode on our YouTube channel and on Apple Podcast.